All right, guys, camper water heater. This is a water heater. We're just unwinterizing here. This is a 2017 Wildwood, about a 24-foot model. This is the Anode Rod that came out of this water heater here. And this is what it should not look like, guys. This is what it should look like, or it'll have little pits in it after the first or so, a year. I'd say these need replaced probably depending on the water you're hooked up to. If it's, decent city water, it'll last 2 to 3 years. But if you're on a well or something, it may not last a year. You need to check this every year. When you winterize it, it needs to be pulled out to drain the tank anyway. So always inspect that, guys. And you can pick up new ones online, Amazon, put a little Teflon on there. And then also you can buy these little wands for your water hose, and you can put it in there and rinse out, and you can see, oops, all the sediment that comes out of your tank. And it's just minerals. It's not going to hurt you, but you don't want that to go up in your faucets, clog all your faucets up. You'll be doing more maintenance. So little maintenance tip there: change your anode rods.